No, you eat nyam nyam. Eat nyam nyam. Eat nyam nyam. You don't want? Eat. Mama, eat. Yeah, you eat. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, what do I really say? My name is Jen. I'm a content creator. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribing. By the way, this is the part 2 of the video of the other one. So I have to make the breakfast. She's hungry. So please consider subscribing. Guys, what would I have done without you people? Oh, this thing is burning me. Tell them it's burning me. You also want to light? Beat you. You have thrown your banana, but you want to light. I'm going to burn your mouth. If I tell them bye, so I want to have bagambe bye. Tell them bye. Tell them hi. Tell them hi, guys. You are satisfied now. You are just there doing tick 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 tick. I thought that you are still hungry. Let us like the civilian now. Do it like this. It has fallen down. It's not there. So, another thing, guys, someone asked me, I don't know where the person got that question from, that why do Sgwendi people marry with milk only? It's like a culture. We were born and we got it there. By the way, let me put you sit here. Or you are breaking me. Me, I'm lighting fire. Sit there. Tell them hi, guys. Tell them hi, guys. You greet my people now, eh? You greet my people. I want to abuze. Kubagambe muri mutia. Mubagambe Sgwendi we. Witiela we donela we di. Priscilla. Jango balageko. Come and show them how we light fire. I'll beat you. I'll beat you, Mama. What a wow. What a wow, baby. Nonyeza mukama. Hallelujah. Nonyeza mukama. Hallelujah. Tell them hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. See, the fire is lighting, so we're gonna eat, okay? Come on, Mama. The other whatever broom of ours. By the way, guys, this is what we use for first show them. This is what we use for blow drying hair. You're gonna see me using it, so never mind. When you put it on fire and you do this, you first apply tomatoes. After applying tomatoes, you apply the cooking oil or any oil you have, so that the hair does not get burnt. Okay, you be playing with it. Have, baby. Quarter. Ejakuliano. Rub me. So this is what some of them we use yesterday for bathing. frying does not balance. That's why we put the soil down here, so that it can balance up. As our fire is also catching. Shabby, shabby, shabby. So this is what we are going to use for frying. I'm just going to wash it gently. What a wow, baby. What a wow. What a wow, baby. What a baby. Mama's the one I'm gonna You want to beat you are scaring Priscilla. You see how she was here. Shabby! You have sussed in this one. Don't understand. This one should be heating up from somewhere here as I'm still finishing. Come and show them, sister. This one, you put it like this so that it can be heating up for the work it's supposed to be doing. As I'm removing this rubbish, I finish. So you can't stay in an African village before even you start cooking. You must sweep the where you are going to be using for cooking. Come and show them where we put our rubbish. Come. That one, what is wrong with her? She thinks I'm going where? So this one is medicinal. Like when you have flu, flu is called abururu. Like abururu. In Asholi they call it aburu. Or aburu. Sister, come outside and show them. This one is blocking the way here. You're supposed to be passing. And there is no any issue with passing. You're there eating your hand, and for us, you're hungry. Wipe them out. And together. I'm going to go for a so that I get the light. I want the light. This house of ours is a little bit dark. Why I do like this, so that to separate the unwanted and the wanted ones. I don't know whether you get it. Do you get it? If you don't get it, please forget about it. By the way, guys, at first I didn't know English, but now this is salt. So I've just added some little bit of cooking oil so that it can at least soften up. And another thing, when you're using firewood, there is a way you have to speed up with whatever you are doing, because it can burn. Beat you. So let me leave it to be heating up. I can't pick the tomatoes because the tomatoes for frying should also be put on fire first. So you guys, I think you can see some changes. It's getting ready. When you put cooking oil, it gets ready, like real ready. Guys, you see this? We have put cooking oil. This one is the hard corn they make for making ugali or posho flour or maize flour. So because we have put cooking oil, this is how it is coming out. Sister, you extend the cord behind the other side so that I get some light. I want light. The firewood is a little bit cold, like cold. It overtakes a lot of smoke. Yes, what so guys, it's now ready. Yummy, yummy, ready to be eaten. Ready to be like to be smashed. Please comment down below. What is the right word there? English, leave me alone. No, English, what in heck I
Just
Karibuni sana guys. So this is it, our breakfast. So now, as we are waiting for our tea, I'll be blow drying my sister's hair. You come and you show them our small garden here for tomatoes. So guys, for us, everything here is organic. We planted our little tomatoes how pass around, and there is a new home we are going to introduce to you. Like, they are the ones who gave us the place we are staying currently. It was their kitchen, then they gave it to us. Like, the owner of the place is a reverend, like Reverend Father. So everything is fresh from the garden. Hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we post a video. Thank you so much for supporting us. These tomatoes, you must put it in the water to make it soft. This, we do apply this on the hair so that the hair can be very soft. If you can just testify by seeing my hair, you will say that because my hair is very soft, very soft. You can, if you don't have tomatoes, you can apply okra. Like the okra, you know, if you have ever watched Nigerian movie, you know okra very well. You can eat okra, you can make soup out of it, but it's also good for the hair. So you throw it. This is our water for tea, but let us just put the tomatoes inside like that, so that I'm going to blow dry my sister's hair. You are going to see what with the Sgwendis use. Why is our thing for blow drying the hair? I be putting it here to here. Oh, yes.
Hi everyone, it's us again, the Sgwendi people. So today we are going to show you how we blow dry our hair. As you see, my sister is applying the cooking oil.
You must apply the cooking oil unless you want to burn the customer's hair.
Exactly.
So you also put some water, just a little bit of the water, and you must be so romantic when you are blow drying a customer's hair, so that he or she comes back. So sister be telling them, they were still asking me, why do we use only milk for marriage, not cows?
Okay, someone was asking why we use only milk.
So it's milk for marriage.
Milk for marrying, eh?
This one is, our hair is a little bit hard, but today I'm going to be smelling yummy here.
As you see, the smoke is coming out. That means that it's blow drying.
Yeah.
It is working.
Can you hear some sound? Shh, shh, shh. That smoke alone shows you a lot. I want to make my sister beautiful today because I love her so much. So this is the tomatoes. Yeah, it's hot. I'm burning you. This. Why don't you mind tomatoes to make it dry, whatever soft? They put okra, which we don't have. So that can make out.
Just one.
One, eh? Shami now they can so can right time my hair.
Ramia.
Majaka kasa. African. Sure. Sister, you're not showing people where. today you are the one going to rock the village. When you see smoke is coming out, just know the hair is getting ready. Of course, when it does not come, this thing does not come out, it means that the thing was not yet hot. Can you people see some difference? This one is the bishaf, the dirty thing. Let me do in front here for you, so that it looks beautiful. Guatemala, yes, summer.
Out of this side. Where's it?
Ziko that here? Guatemala, yes. Who are you? So guys, this is the outcome. You show them, show them. Show off with your hair, show off with your hair. Her hair is nice, it's just like mine. Wow. You show them the salon lady. The salon lady. Consider subscribing. Bye guys. Let me go and take my shower. I'm out.